Hey guys, what's up? My name is Gaurav. Welcome back to my channel. And if you didn't know, Xiaomi's MIUI is one of the most popular Android skins that is available in the market right now. And in India, there are over 80 million MIUI users. And if you take it abroad, if you take it all over the world, there are about 500 million MIUI users. A few months back, the Xiaomi announced that they're gonna be unveiling the MIUI 12 globally, and recently they have started rolling out the MIUI 12 update for some of the Xiaomi devices in India, including the Redmi and Poco devices. So in this video, I'm going to be letting you all know what are the latest features that are available in the MIUI 12, and I'm going to be giving you a review of this version of MIUI. And if you are new on this channel, please make sure you subscribe, hit the bell icon so you get notifications whenever I post a video. And now without further ado, let's get right into the video. The MIUI 12 brings several changes to the system, and these changes includes a lot of visual changes, a lot of software changes, and battery optimizations, and many more. Here are some of the top features that are going to be getting changes, that are going to be getting improvements. Here are the top features that you need to know about the MIUI 12 update. Let's start with the main and the obvious one, that is the user interface. There is a new app drawer that is available in the MIUI 12, and this means that you don't need to keep swiping endlessly on your home screen to get an app. MIUI 12 also brings a fluid animation display that is available in this MIUI 12 update. As you can see, when you open the battery column, there are animations that are really good, and when you open the storage features, storage and spaces, you can see that there is a cylindrical representation of the storage that is used and that is empty. So this animation gives a really good feel to the phone. And if you have a good display phone, that is for example, if you have a Mi10 which has a 90 Hz display, this animation is going to be looking very good on your phone. A new feature that the MIUI 12 is bringing into the phone is the control center. Yes, it is being called control center, and it is inspired by the iOS devices, because that is what it exactly does. It has everything that is in the iOS control center. It is accessed the same way as well. You need to swipe down from the top right corner, and to see there's a new feature, that is, if you want to see a notification glance, you just want to take a glance at the notification, you can swipe down from the top left corner. This is going to give you a notification glance. This is not just it can be customized to many different options that are available. I have not seen all of the options, but yeah, there are many options. The MIUI 12 finally brings the floating widget application in this phone. So there are apps that are supporting floating widget or floating window, but there are some apps that does not support. So if you are using a big screen and if you want to watch a video in the back of your screen and you want to text someone, you can click on the messages that is going to be supporting the floating window, and you can just text them the message without being interrupted of watching your movie. So this is a new feature that MIUI 12 has officially brought in the Xiaomi devices. So Xiaomi never allowed Google's gestures to come into their phones, but with MIUI 12 they're all back. All the Google gestures that are used in normal Google phones, that are available in all the other phones which were not available in Xiaomi devices, are now going to be available with the help of MIUI 12. These were the top major features that I found interesting, and I thought that you must know about these features. And in spite of all the half a dozen features that are coming in the MIUI 12, the OS is also getting updated. There are some features that as MI Share, File Manager, Light Mode, new camera UI, and much more are coming into the OS, which is going to be looking great on the phone. If you want to know which devices are getting the MIUI 12 update for now, I'm going to be putting down the phones that are getting updated for MIUI 12 in the description, so please go check it out. So this was all for today's video, and I hope you like this. If you did, please do give a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe if you're new around here. My name is Gaurav. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.